Already got the HSKLOCK anti-nausea electrode stimulator wristband. Came packaged very nicely, arrived safely. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Comes with a set of instructions and a USB Type-C charging cable on here because this is a rechargeable device. Pull it off right there. Got a little Type-C charger, plug it in. You got a battery indicator on here just like everything else these days. According to the literature, once you activate this device, it's got a couple of magnetic bands on the back that release like a pulse pattern to stimulate the median nerve under your skin and help relieve the symptoms of nausea, morning sickness, anxiety, migraine, all that kind of stuff. So the bands are made out of rubber. They're a little bit stretchy, but not super stretchy. Feels like they're okay. The machine itself is plastic. It's got a nice size screen on there. You have an on button, and when you turn this on, you have different settings you can go through. You also have these settings for the length that you want to wear it. They tell you to measure over 2 fingers from the first crease in your wrist to show you where to put it. It's basically like checking for your pulse. That's what I was thinking when I saw that. I should note that there are some warnings inside of the instructions, and you're going to want to take heed to this. You should not use this if you have a pacemaker or any type of implanted medical device in your body. You also want to make sure you don't use it if you have any type of skin condition. It's telling you not to use it in an environment with high humidity. And so you might want to do some research if you have any type of medical conditions to see if this is right for you before you use it. There's 2 types of way you can put it on. I have kind of a big wrist. You could run it up underneath of this loop and tie it over this way if you have a smaller wrist. But someone like me, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it straight through and then tuck this in up underneath it here. The screen, will shut off after a certain amount. And right now I've got it set to strong, and I can feel it tingling in my palm right now. Wow, that might be too strong for me. Got it soft. Kind of got to find the right place for it. You can see the battery indicator on here. I have a full battery. All right, for me driving in the wintertime with the heat on and the windows up, I tend to get nauseated in the car. So I'm hoping this will help me alleviate those symptoms, especially when I go on long drives. I did notice using this that if I move my wrist a certain way and make it tighter, I can really feel the impulses come through my hand. So I know it's working, or at least I know the electromagnetic stimulation part of it is working, which I think is pretty neat. Kind of a neat device. So if you're looking for an anti-nausea, anti-motion sickness device for at home or for when you travel, something that's easy to wear and is rechargeable, check out this one by HSKLOCK. Check it out.